And race number 6 has just begun. Echo's Cake draws 40 on the red, moving up now. Still Creation, Danorin Sanawis. Tawa-tawa! Moving up by the rail, then comes Red Flash. Pintados also in there too. Going back to the leader, bunch of entries are fighting it out for the leader. It's now Pintados. Tawa-tawa is running on the outside, Echo's Cake. Or Tawa-tawa is done on the inside. Moving up now is Red Flash, Still Creation. Then Danorin down in 6, moving up now is Magalang Building Code. Moving up, Action Sailor. But it's still Pintados, still in front. Echo's Cake on the outside in the middle portion. Moving up is Red Flash, Magalang. Also moving up, then comes number 7, Building Code as they turn bottom. 5 and or bunch of entries are fighting it out for the, but it's still Pintados, still in front. Moving up once again on the outside is Echo's Cake to take the lead. It's now Echo's Cake regains the lead, and moving up on the far outside is Building Code. Echo's Cake, Building Code, Magalang in the middle, and finally Echo's Cake. Building Code, Magalang, Still Creation, Pintados, and for your Super 6, Action Sailor.